Hi viewers, how are you? Today our topic is the Happy Labor Day, September 11th. Uh, Labor Day craft, Happy Labor Day art, and Labor Day dia ideas. You can watch in this video. You are watching the perfect Labor Day dias, DIYs. Do it yourself. You are watching the three color flag color candle make in the jar. You are watching a cup make of the Labor Day craft. You are watching the Labor Day art. You are watching another idea with pop cycles, ice cream sticks. You are watching the pumpkin Labor Day art. You are watching hawk Labor Day art. You are watching the Labor Day art making with the forks and jars. You are watching the 6 creative Labor Day crafts. Now Labor Day crafts for kids. You are watching different ideas for kids. Make it on Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. You are watching on the screen how to explain Labor Day to your kids in a fun day. You are watching 5 random acts of kindness for Labor Day. Scavenger hunt, 10 Labor Day decorations to celebrate the ends. Handprint flag shirt you can make at home. Easy and simple idea. Kids blowers patriotic craft idea and different other Labor Day crafts you are watching. 10 patriotic words you can make at Labor Day. You are watching the Happy Labor Day. Another idea of make Labor Day idea art. Easy Labor Day party ideas. Now you are watching the Labor Day menu ideas. Labor Day party ideas. You are watching dog handing in mouth the flag of America. 7 all American Labor Day. Delicious food ideas for Labor Day. You are watching the dog burger. You are watching Labor Day menu ideas different Labor Day 2020.